How to add a glow effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the glow effect. Next, go to the effects library on the top left and search for text plus under the title section. Choose a text effect and drag it to your timeline. Now that you have your text, you can change its position, color, size, and more from the Inspector tab. Now, head to the effects library again and click on the OpenFX tab. In the source bar, type glow and you will see the glow effect appear on the Resolve effects slide. Simply drag the glow effect onto your text clip in the timeline. With the text clip selected, go to the inspector on the top right, scroll down to the OpenFX section where you will see the glow effect settings. From here, you can tweak the glow size to adjust the intensity of the glow and glow softness for a smoother look. Play around with these settings until you get the desired effect. Once you are happy with how it looks, you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to add a glow effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.